Mama ingangezami, shining bright every day. Ukhona bakho buyankhanyisa, kwazi ukuhamba kahle. No izinkinga zifika, you always hold my hand. Ngifuna uthando olungapheli, love that will always stand. Baba, you are my guide, my rock, my strong foundation. Ngiyabonga for your wisdom and your dedication. Izandla zakho ziyangivikela, even when the world is harsh. Ngiyakubeka because of your loving heart. Ngyabathanda abazali bami, I love you endlessly. Nginothando olukhulu, love that flows endlessly. Ngiyabonga ngempilo ngothando nangukonda abazali bami, I love you so much forever and beyond. Izingoma zen, songs that soothe my soul, ngiyazikhumbula. Lizeluleko zine, guidance that makes me whole. Noma kunzima, you never let me fall. Ngihamba emhlabeni nginile because of your call. Mama, when I cry, you wipe away my tears. Baba, when I stumble, you calm all my fears. Nginothando olungapheli, love that cannot fade. Ngyabathanda abazali bami for the sacrifices made. Ngyabathanda abazali bami, I love you endlessly. Nginothando olukhulu, love that flows endlessly. Ngiyabonga ngempilo ngothando nangokonda abazali bami, I love you so much forever and beyond. Through every struggle, through every fight, ngikhumbula isikhathi zenu, you made everything right. Mama no baba, izibusiso empilweni yami. Forever I'm grateful, forever I'm proud to be your child. Ngiyazikwazi ukukhula, I grow strong every day. So shalekela inhlonipho in every single way. Even when I am far, I carry you in my heart. Abazali bami, your love is my heart. Ngiyabonga for the laughter, for the midnight talks, for the hugs that heal me and the steady walks. Mama, your smile is my sunshine. Baba, your words are always so fine. Ngifisa ukukhombisa uthando lwami, love that is true. Ngyabathanda njalo, nothing else I'd rather do. You taught me respect, you taught me grace. Ngathi ukuthi konke engikwenza comes from you. Ngyabathanda abazali bami, I love you endlessly. Uthando olukhulu, love that flows endlessly. Ngiyabonga ngempilo ngothando nangokonda abazali bami, I love you so much forever and beyond.